Hello everyone, this is Sanjay from Prolifics product team. Today I'll walk you through how to debug Python code in Panther. First, let's start with the documentation. You can access this documentation from Panther release notes. Scroll down to debugging section where setup steps are clearly explained. To enable debugging, add the following code into your app.init.py. Next, in your VS Code, ensure that Python debugger extension is installed and create a launch.json in your workspace folder and add the following configuration to attach to Panther. Now open ProDev from your working space directory. Now here it waits for VS Code to connect. Now in VS Code from run and debug section, choose Python attached to Panther and click play button. You can see these warnings related to frozen modules. This can safely ignored. Now there are two ways of debugging Python code in Panther. In first approach, we have the copy of screens embedded Python code in a loose Python file that should be named exactly as your screen name. Here is my demo1.py which has the same code of my screen does. Now I'm adding breakpoints in this demo1.py. I'm adding at line number 3 and line number 4 and a breakpoint in check function. So I'm going to test mode for the screen. Click button will call the test function and you can see here the execution is paused at this line. So on clicking play button, it will continue. You can see it now gives the print message and again waiting on the next line. And next breakpoint hits in the check function. This is the first way of debugging. And the second way of debugging is I have a screen called demo2 which imports a Python file called my code which has the simple test function. So on run button it will call the test function. So I'm adding a breakpoint at line number 2 and line number 3. On going to test mode for this screen, when I clicked run button, it paused execution at breakpoint. On clicking continue, it will go to the next breakpoint. So in here left you can observe the local variables are defined and declared. So these are the two supported ways of debugging Python in Panther using Visual Studio Code. Thank you.